Hi guys, this one caught my eye on Thingiverse, so I printed it off. Stomp Rocket by Lobo CNC, or at least that's what he goes by on Thingiverse. On YouTube he goes by Jeff Kerr. So I'll give you the link for Thingiverse and I'll give you a link for his YouTube video of this in operation. So it's 3 parts. The rocket. I had to print it twice because the first time I had a little bit of a problem with it. One of the fins came off. Still works, funnily enough. Then the sort of the base unit, the launcher, tube, and then there's a tube in there that links the two together. I don't know if the light will catch it, possibly not. And then the plunger or piston, so that sits on there and that drops down, the air shoots up there and pushes the rocket up in the sky, and it goes very well. I don't want to do it too hard because it'll hit the ceiling, but yeah. Works brilliant. Let's say even that one that's damaged. Oh, didn't push that right. Yeah, no idea how high it goes. Hits my ceiling in here easily. And he did say something on his video, I think, about it goes at least 20 feet because that was the height he tested it in when it hit the ceiling. So yeah, simple print, three items or 3 components. I printed it on the next to highest print, not the very best one, but the next one. This is on my, I forgot what it's called now. No, it's completely gone from your mind what it's called. Ender 3D, yeah. It's getting a couple of years old now. Anyway, yeah, it works absolutely fine, no problems. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.